Welcome back to another helpful video of Quick Guide, and in this video I am going to show you how to change video resolutions of Netflix from your PC. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now, in order to change video resolution or video quality from your PC into your Netflix, you just simply have to open your Netflix, and after opening the Netflix, this homepage will appear. Now into here, you just simply have to tap into this three bars at the top right corner, and from there you will get to see settings option. Just simply go to settings, and after coming into settings section you will see so many options. Again, you just simply have to tap into this video quality option, and from here you can choose high resolutions or standard resolutions into here. Just simply select the resolution that you want and you are all set. This is all you have to do in order to change video resolutions into Netflix. I hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.